guys, happy Wednesday. We gotta get this going quick because we are looking at a setup right now, so we gotta get this going. All right, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and start the live trading here over in the premium. I'm really hoping this rally can hold for the next minutes. I hope it didn't start it too early. But yeah, no, I am seeing a pretty nice setup right off open that I am liking and I do want to catch. So we gotta be on that. We gotta be on this today. All right, guys. But yeah, let's see. Yo. What's good, guys? What's up? Good morning. All right, guys. So as you guys may know, we were starting a little bit early, a few minutes earlier. And that's obviously for a reason, right? I'm sure you guys are seeing the market right now. It's moving pretty good. All right, guys. So let me see if I have enough time to kind of explain the setup and see if we even can hold up the setup. We still have 1 minute into this candle. So I'm hoping I didn't start it too early. But I'm sure you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. All right. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm here like just hoping that we hold above this for the next 45 seconds. Fingers crossed. All right, guys. But regardless of the fact, I mean, we still have a pretty nice bias here in the market. We have a good reading in the market, and we have I would say a pretty decent setup. I kind of wish the fair value gap was a little bit bigger, but you know, it works. It'll work. All right. So what are we doing right off open? Well, what are we eyeing? Well, as you guys can see, I'm sure a lot of you guys mentioned it over in the premium chat, but right off open, NQ has a lot more action than ES has going on. So we know for sure that right now, NQ is leading in both the upside and the downside. There's just so much more interest in it, right? So as you guys can see right here, ES is showing weakness to the down, like there's sellers. Like we want to start seeing there's a massive SMT here. NQ kind of is holding up in some way, and ES is holding down. All right. So what can we do to kind of use this to our advantage? Well, if you guys look over at NQ took out 955. If we zoom back, like to a 30-minute time frame, you guys will notice that 955 is a very nice DOL level, and we took it out. All right. So once again, we have DOL right here. What do we do now? We took it out. So what we're kind of eyeing here in the market is we want to see if price can hold below this DOL. If we can easily look for an inverse off this gap and just look for downside. And we know that we want to see more downside mainly because ES is holding down. It's not really going up with NQ. You guys get what I'm saying? So our bias here is pretty bearish, and I'm really hoping we can get a quick day today. Just because the volume is looking good right off open. So, you know, we can kind of work off that. All right. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. We're gonna see how obviously this holds up and everything, and then we go from there. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and find out. But yeah, for me right now, guys, I'm definitely leaning more towards bearish than I am bullish. So yeah, this is kind of what I'm watching as of right now, and you guys can see ES also hasn't hit any level of liquidity to a downside, meaning that we technically, not even technically, we have room for downside. Like we want to go down. All right, guys. So we're gonna pay attention here. We're gonna focus on this over here and see if we can get some sort of a short position sometime soon. I'm really liking the selling that's coming in. We have the sweep, we have everything lining up. So realistically, all we need here is kind of just a sell below the inverse, and we're pretty much good. All right, so I'm really hoping we can get that. And we don't do any messy stuff today. Really hoping for that, so we can have a clear, clean, easy, simple day. Right? I mean, like I said, ES has room for lower, and Q also has room for lower. So yeah, I want to see 899. I don't know. I might trim down here if we do get an entry, some place up here. But yeah, let me see here. Okay. But yeah, so far, I mean, we need ES to break this low so NQ could just completely die off. Because so far, obviously, you guys saw the opening candle, the 930 candle. It was a straight buying candle. I'm not too sure why we got so much buying to come in. But it's probably not, you know, nothing crazy. It's maybe just a lot of volume coming in. So obviously with so much buying coming in, we you know, there's still gonna be buyers interested. So once we get that sign of like the signal of the buyer exhaustion, we should be good to go for the selling. And how do we know that? Well, we could know that by using ES. Once ES starts breaking new lows and starts showing weakness, it's gonna start pushing NQ down along with it. Because you guys know ES and NQ typically follow each other. All right. So we're kind of just waiting on that. We're gonna see if we can even get the selling. So far, it's kind of like it's mixed in between the two. Obviously, there's a lot more sellers than there is buyers, but there's still enough buyers that sellers really can't make this go down, right? Although our bias is bearish, we're gonna have to kind of wait a little bit more here. All right. But yeah, I really want to see some sort of an inverse off this right here. Really hoping we can get that, but if we can, I would say we should be good. But we just need ES to just completely die out. Once ES dies out, we're chilling. But yeah, you guys can see like there's still buyers and sellers kind of fighting for the momentum here. Now, if we keep pushing higher, we still have DOL to work with up here. But it's just going to be one of those days where we have to wait a pretty long time to wait for a setup, then get a bias, and then get the confirmations for them the setup to play out. You know what I mean? I'd much rather just have everything play out now and, we go from there. It's a lot easier. It's a lot quicker. You know what I mean? Why not? But yeah, I would say throughout the entire morning, our bias should be bearish. I mean, we took out a major level of liquidity. There's some many internal levels to the downside that we should be taking out, at least before we see the major move to the upside. So it would make sense if we just scalp it to the downside, which is why I'm so bearish off open so quick. All right, but like I said, we need to see if sellers can step in on ES. That's all we need, because ES is the weak one here. So once we can start showing weakness and some buyer exhaustion, we should be really, really good. All right, so it's just a matter of waiting, pretty much. But yeah. Anyways, let me catch up with the chat. Let me see what you guys are saying while we wait for this. How's your sizing? Right now, I would say full size won't hurt today. I mean, the market just opened. We don't know if it's gonna chop out or not, and we don't know how it's looking so far. But from the looks of it right now, at least, I would say full size is not a horrible idea. We have nearby price targets. I would say price would be moving pretty clean if we do inverses. So yeah, full size wouldn't hurt. So if we do full size, obviously we're looking at a 25-point stop loss. ES looks better. No, it doesn't. This does not look better, bro. Not at all. Why are you going against the 40-point fair value gap rule? This gap is like 80 points is double. Is double the thing. Whichever one has more volatility is leaning for. Yeah, exactly. Pretty much. So yeah, so far it's kind of indecisive still, which is it's normal, right? Obviously we took out. Okay, the reason I'm saying this quote unquote chop is normal is mainly because right now, obviously, we had a ton of buying coming right off open. We took out liquidity, and with so much buying, it's not like they just get out of the picture. You know what I mean? So with us taking out liquidity, we might slowly start to notice more selling start to step in slowly. Like slowly. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So once we get that selling to slowly start coming in, then that's going to be our sign for the MSS and the DOL sweep as well. Remember, we're still holding above the level. We need to hold below it if we want to be bearish, right? So yeah, now if we want to keep pushing up, it'll be fine. Like I said, it's not really a big deal. But if we do push up, we're probably going to push up into 22,008. And then we could probably get another reading from there, just like yesterday. All right, so yeah, I mean, bro, I just woke up, bro. I just woke up. Chill. I just woke up. Anyways, now you're good. That gap is not even 10. Bro, what? The gap is literally 80 points, dude. Look. The gap itself doesn't have to be, the candle has to be 40 points. The gap doesn't matter. Let me see. Wait, what? Solid, man. What? All right. Anyways, guys, bro, I'm a little tired, bro. I'm a little tired. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I'm hoping today's quick, so I can go back to bed because. No. We're not doing day offs here. No. Not like that either. You know what I mean? Like I'm hoping for a quick day, so we're happy, we're smiling, we go back to sleep. But no, we don't do breaks here. No. Not here. Bro. Let me see. Yeah, you guys see what I mean, right? Like we should be getting some buyer exhaustion pretty soon. I mean, it does not look like it. You know what I mean? It's almost 10 a.m. I know, bro, but like 1 hour won't hurt. You know what I mean? What's a pre-workout? Bro, imagine taking pre-workout while in a trade. Hell no. That's some crazy work, bro. But yeah, so far, not too much of reading the market. Now, like I said, I want to say it's normal. I want to say it's normal. I don't want to be so quick to say it's choppy, but if we hold this, then it could be like a little, bro. Let me check out the YouTube channel. See how you guys are doing. Hey, what's up? What's up, Sebastian? Um, deal sweeping. Now we're looking for an MSS. Yeah. We're waiting for an MSS right now. So as long as we hold below 955, that's our DOL sweep confirmed. Then all we're gonna need is pretty much just an MSS, which is pretty much just the market showing us that we can create lower highs and lower lows. Once we get that bearish trend, then we're pretty much good for the shorts. All we need is an inverse off this, and we just go from there. All right. So yeah, Trump speaks at 11. What? No way. Oh no, he doesn't. At least it doesn't show it here. So maybe it's not too important. Maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, that's tomorrow. Oh, bro. I was gonna say. Okay, now tomorrow. Okay, wait. This wasn't a thing when I was making the schedule. Okay, so tomorrow. Oh damn. So if he speaks at 11, that's not good. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow might be a little bit rough. Because if he speaks at 11, we could probably get a reading before 10. That's if the market is really good. But if not, I would say probably PM session, if anything. Like tomorrow, we wake up straight to the PM session. Because if he's speaking at 11, that's like the worst time. That's like, you know what I mean? It's not the best time there. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how we work around tomorrow. I'm gonna have to see that. Anyways, so right now there's still a little bit of buyers stepping in. No gap here though. Nothing's really catching my eye here. If anything, I would want to see how we react off this DOL up here. For those that don't know, if you go over to the 1 hour, oh actually no, the 1 hour is a little ugly. Maybe the 30-minute. We do have a high here. Not the cleanest high, but it's something that we could work with here. We have a high here that we can definitely work with if we do take this out. I don't know. I really want to hold below 955. It just makes the most sense. Why not? You know. But yeah, in the meantime, let's just keep waiting. We'll see. It could chop early. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because remember, this is not like nothing like to play with. You know, it's Trump. You guys know how Trump is with the market. One tweet and the whole market is moving, let alone a whole speech. Right. So tomorrow, I would say 9:30 to 11 could be like, I would say it's like a 75% chance it chops out, because like when it's something so heavily anticipated, people wait till he's finishes speaking so they can invest into the market depending on what he says. Obviously, no one's going to be investing into the market. I mean, no one's going to be throwing money into the market before he says anything, because they don't know if it's going to be good or bad. You get what I'm saying? So what happens when that happens? Well, if there's not enough money going to the market, then the market's not going to be moving. It just kind of chops out the market. So it's a little bit risky, I would want to say. So if anything, tomorrow we could go live after like 1. I don't know about an AM session, just because you guys obviously see Trump is speaking at 11. It's like the worst spot. If he was speaking at 12, sure, we can work with 9, 10, and 11, but he's doing it at 11. That's not too much time that we have to work with, So it's a little bit risky. I'm gonna see how we could do with Trump speaking tomorrow. But if anything, worst comes to worst, we just work off the PM session. All right. And it will also be a good thing, because whenever he finishes talking and the PM session starts, everything that he said is probably taking action in the market. You know what I mean? Like it's giving us the volume for the PM session. So I would say tomorrow is not going to be a big deal, but we can definitely work off of it. We just have to be a little bit different tomorrow. All right. But yeah, guys. So far, nothing crazy happening. So ES. Yeah, no, ES is kind of just like doing nothing. I don't know why. I don't know why. But if anything, we might. Okay, look, if ES wants to follow along NQ and keep going up alongside NQ, what we could do is we could wait for this simple London high sweep, and then we can expect downside, I guess. But the problem is there's not really much I'm interested in here in the market. I mean, sure, we want to see this, but here, look, this is what I would take would be the best thing to happen here, right? So we look for something like this, right? We slowly take this out. We start getting the MSS here. We hold below 955, and then we just look for an inverse here. That would be the best possible thing, because if we keep going higher and higher, it's just gonna keep taking away interest from me in the market. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just not gonna be super interested. But it's just like, okay, no, yes, it's catching up now. Okay, that's better. So like I said, once we take out this high up here and this London high up here, we could expect some selling to step in. Let's see if that's correct. I mean, we're right there. You know what I mean? We might as well take it out. It's really close. But yeah, this is what I'm expecting. If we don't get this by, I would say, like 11, depending on obviously the volume of the market, maybe I just won't take anything for the AM session, because right now the overnight session was kind of boring. There's not much that we're really too interested in. So there's a kind of a lack of. It's not like yesterday. You know what I mean? Like there's kind of a lack of setups here. So yeah, we'll see. Now, see, a lot of you guys mentioned the 15-minute fair value gap forming. Let me check on that. Okay, let me see the 15-minute. Actually, the 15-minute is practically the same thing. Okay, so we took out liquidity. All right, that's good, right? But the 15-minute is the same thing, right? It's the same for, if you're talking about this gap right here. It's the same thing, because if you're gonna inverse this gap, you're gonna enter down here. So it's the same thing on the 5 and 15-minute time frame. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, but now guys, now that we took out the London high and then this high up here in the market, we're gonna see the reaction based off this. If we get a reaction where we keep going higher and we keep going higher and higher and higher, I'm probably just gonna chill for the AM and come back PM once the market gives us something to short. Because right now my bias is not gonna be bullish. I know we're going up, I don't care. That's not gonna be my bias. All right. But yeah, let's see what we can work with here. And I really wish we had some sort of a gap up here that we can inverse. It'll be a lot easier, but we don't. So we're going to have to kind of wait for a sweep off this and then just dump all the way down into this down here. Or maybe we can create a gap on the way down that we can also use. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, in the meantime, so far, nothing interesting. Nothing interesting here in the market. Anyways, let me catch up with YouTube. Let me see. Okay. Can you explain how you personally do a payout? Do you only request when you get the max possible payout? And do you have an option to leave money in the account? Okay, yeah. So first of all, I always request 2K. I don't request any more or any less. 2K is kind of the sweet spot. I love requesting 2K. That's my thing. All right. Let me see. And do you have the option to leave money in? Yes, you have the option to leave any amount in if you want to have like a cushion in your account, and that's something I really suggest, so you don't blow up the account. All right. So hopefully that answers your question, bro. Let me see. Thanks for what you do, man. And thanks for all your patience and with everyone as well. Of course, bro. Of course. Yes, swept internal liquidity. No, it also swept the this high up here. So we gotta see. Like I said, we gotta give the market some time. If we don't get anything, I would say by like 11. We're gonna give the market like a chill hour. You know what I mean? See what it does here. If we don't get anything by then it'll be a PM session for sure. But yeah, in the meantime, I mean, I don't know. I just don't like anything up here. Or if anything, I mean, the thing is, this setup might take long to do, because if anything, guys, we do have a nice gap here on the 15-minute, the one that we're in right now. But the thing is, we're gonna have to wait for this candle to close and then the next candle to close, and then depending on what we do from there, we could probably inverse a 15-minute, which can also work. I mean, we still have the same bias. It's just gonna be a hard reading when there's only buying coming in. So you know what I'm saying. So let me kind of focus on the 15-minute for now at least. It's gonna be it's just a lot closer. So we're gonna see. Is it 945 candle on the not good enough? No, it's not. It's 38 points. Not only is it not good enough, but the gap is pretty small. So yeah, look at this. I mean, you could probably take it, but I mean, you're better off just kind of taking it off the 15-minute. It just looks a lot cleaner. Right. So yeah, guys, pretty much what I want to look for here, this setup might take some time. And by some time, I mean maybe like 20 minutes to just form, not even play out, just to form. Right. But it's kind of our best shot at getting a trade for now, at least. Because there's nothing else that's really catching our eye here in the market that's really telling us like, hey, I want you to trade this, But anyways, here's what I'm watching. All right, guys. So far, what we have here is obviously we took out liquidity at 22,008. Right. There's a lot of buying coming in and everything. Right, so with a lot of buying coming in and us taking out DOL, what we're forming here is we have a very nice fair value gap, or we have an imbalance. We don't have a gap yet. We have to wait for the next candle to open up, and then we go from there. But for now, we do have a pretty nice imbalance, which is about 80 points, right? So what we could do here, if we don't sell off, obviously this setup might be a little bit risky because we could sell off at any given time and the gap is gone. All right, but what we could do in the meantime is, depending on what we do on this next candle over here, right, we can mark out the gap. However, and if once that gap is done forming, which will take about 15 minutes, we can always see if price can hold below oh 08. And if it can hold below oh 08, that'll be our DOL sweep. We wait for some selling on the 5-minute time frame, and then we take shorts off this inverse at around 982. It's a simple setup, but it will get the job done. You know what I mean? It's just on the higher time frame. I would say it's a pretty good one. I personally kind of really like the way it's looking. There's two issues that's worrying me. The first one being, are we going to get sellers? Obviously, if you guys look at the 5-minute time frame, we're only getting buyers. There's a ton of buyers. The trend is pretty bullish right now, right? And the second question is, since this setup is going to take so long to form, about 60 minutes from here on out, what are the chances we hold above? I mean, we hold up this imbalance for the next 16 minutes. What if price wants to sweep this gap and go down right now? You get what I'm saying? So it's a little bit, we're running a bit of a risk here where we can kind of miss out on the setup for waiting too long. But if it does hold up just in time, we could be really good for a very, very nice setup. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. But that's currently the game plan right now. So once again, we're looking for a sweep below this. We want to wait for the gap to close. Once we get the gap to close, we're looking to look for shorts at around like 980. All right. But that's only if the gap can hold up. Obviously, you guys see right here, buyers are kind of getting a little bit exhausted. We're not breaking any new highs. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this gap, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right. But this new candle opened up, right? So we're gonna need this candle to go ahead and close. And as you guys know, we close in about 15 minutes, right? So it could take some time, but we're gonna see. As long as we don't close this gap right here, we should be good. Right, but all it takes is one small selling and the setup is gone. And then we won't have anything up here. We're going to have to wait for something down here, which I don't want to do because we're already really high up. We're about 100 points above the entry, right? So we don't want to do that. But what we want to do is try to see if we can work off something with this, all right? And then ES, on the other hand, let's see if ES has anything interesting. Wait, is ES all-time highs? Oh, I was about to say, there's no way. Okay, I just don't have any levels of liquidity here. Oh, yeah, I mean, there's literally nothing here. Okay, to be fair, yeah. Maybe on the 15-minute? Is there something? Damn, this is far. Okay, yeah, on the 15-minute. Damn. Bro, when did this happen? I think this was during FOMC, probably. The 1,000 points. Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah, for sure. Okay. But yeah, I would say for now, like I said, as long as this gap holds up, we should be good. We should be good. As long as it does. Remember, we have 13 minutes. So in the meantime, we just chill, we sit back, and we just wait. And at the same time, if ES can show weakness and we also inverse this 15-minute gap, that'll be even better. It'll be more confirmation towards selling. All right. So let's see. But I'm just really worried about this, because it's just like, if it was on the 5-minute, I'll be a lot more calm. Be like, oh guys, just wait 5 minutes and boom, we have a setup. No, here we have to wait 15 minutes and then we have to wait for another selling candle to come in so we can inverse it. So yeah. Let me see. So how much do you request? Wait, how much? Oh, do you recommend getting in that account before the first payout request? I will say, look, try to keep it like this. If that account, look, when you request a payout, try to keep that account above 2K, above drawdown, pretty much. It just, bro. Like, bro, I look away for 1 second, but I read the chat for 1 second, bro. Bro. Like, all right. Well, that's the one thing I didn't want to happen. The one thing I didn't want to happen. It happens. All right, it's fine. It's fine. Maybe we have something in the 5-minute. All right, maybe we can form something here. But bro, like, come on. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I would recommend you keep about $2,000 in drawdown, maybe 1.5K the minimum, but try to keep it above 2K. You should be good after 2K. All right, bro. I don't know what happened. But what's the indicator that marks out the opens? This one. This is the one thing I didn't want. And the worst part is we sell off to go back up. So not only did we get rid of the gap that we wanted to play off, like to play with, but we don't even get anything to, like, you know what I mean? Like, as a backup. We just wick back up. So yeah, we're gonna have to what there wasn't news, right? No, there wasn't. It's just a random sell-off. All right. Well, all right, let me see. I'm gonna give 5 accounts and copy trade them. They have when they have a sale again. Bro, I'm not sure what they should have done. They should have been done a sale. I'm not sure why they haven't already. What about the 15-minute gap below? It's way too low. That's the problem. We could take it. Don't get me wrong. We could take it. But not, we have to dump 100 points just to get an entry and another X amount of points to get a good trade going. You know what I mean? I'd much rather try to catch something up here and then just catch it on the way down. You know what I mean? So that's the thing. Anyways, let me see. We'll create a new bearish for. That's what I'm hoping for, you know. But the thing is, we sell off 30, 40 points and we wake back up. So you really can't make it up. You really can't. Yo, David, what about the 5 minute that we just bounced from? Okay, even if we did, okay, I don't think we bounced off any 5. We miss it by, like, not even a tick. We miss it by like an atom or atom, whatever it's called. Look at this. We That's like the perfect bounce. Anyways, I mean, even if we did bounce off this, I wouldn't take it because I'm not bullish. I'm pretty bearish right now. So yeah, but as much as I don't know, like, short off this, it wouldn't be bad. It really wouldn't. But there's just something about this gap that I just don't like. Maybe because it's too small, or maybe because it's not even an imbalance. I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of speechless here. I don't know what to say. I guess we just have to wait for another setup to form, or maybe we just sell off into this gap down here. But even then, that's way too. It's way too down there, you know. But just in case, let me have it marked out. I mean, if the selling looks strong enough, this could probably work out. I mean, we have to dump about 80 points, which is not horrible, but that's a lot. You know, I mean, that's 80 points that we could be in a trade for. You know. But yeah, in the meantime, we'll just wait for something to come up. Bro, what? That reminds me of the time your computer crashed. That's what happened. That's literally, bro. The thing is, I don't know what happened that time. I really don't. Everything was off. Is that how it was? It was just like, bro. I can't imagine, bro. Do you think today will be an expansion day? I actually wouldn't doubt it. If today was an expansion day, it's just the market correcting itself. I wouldn't doubt it. Usually for me, I hate trading expansion days. It's by far, in my opinion, my least favorite days. I really hate it. Just because it's one of those days where the market has no volume. It's only going up or it's only going down. It doesn't give you a setup. It doesn't give you anything. It just goes up or down without anything. I really hate those days because, you know, you can't catch it. It's kind of a day wasted. But on the good thing with those days is that it creates a lot of liquidity for the next day. So usually when we have expansion days, the next day we usually get a really, really nice setup. So is it a bad thing? No, it's just kind of annoying for the day because obviously we're here to try to make money today. But any words of wisdom? I have no problem passing evals, but when I get to my PA, I lose them. You're too attached to the accounts. That's probably the problem. Obviously, I would have to see what you're struggling with. I can't just say, you know, oh, don't do this. You know, it might not be the issue, but I would have to know. I would have to know. But what did Apex combine my 150 profit from Monday yesterday into one trading day? Because Monday didn't count as a trading day. Monday was an early close. So anytime we get an early close on any of these days, it will count that day plus the next day as one day. So since Monday was an early close, it counted Monday and Tuesday as one day. Hopefully that makes sense. That's just how they work. Yeah, yeah, of course. And that goes with any prop firm. That's Topstep, that's Apex, that's all of these firms. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you guys were confused about, hey, Apex didn't count a day, or hey, Apex put more profits than what I made today, it's probably just because it mixed both days together. That's just how it was. Just passed a 50K account on Apex. Nice, bro. Nice, nice. I would congratulate you with more excitement, but bro, I'm pretty tired. I gotta fix my sleeping schedule. Yeah, there we go. Thank you, Limitless. Thank you, bro. Let me see. I made money, but my genre hasn't moved. Help. Um. Uh. How do I word this? If you okay, look, if the account hasn't hit the high, then the genre's not gonna move. The genre only moves as the account keeps breaking new highs. If that makes sense. Yeah, it's a trading stop loss or trading drawdown, whatever it is. Anyways, that's what the weekly profit trigger. No, 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 no. You don't have to hit anything. No, no, no. I just I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now. I'm not really liking how the market is looking too much. Um, Not only are we going up a lot, but we don't have anything to work with here. I mean, as much as I want to tell you guys, like, hey, it's looking really good. Like, we have a setup here, and I know it's not what you guys want to hear, but it's. I'm here being realistic. I don't. There's not much to really work with up here. If anything, today, from the looks of it right now, today might be looking like a PM session if we even get one by then. But right now, and there's really not much we have to work with here. I'm at $71 to draw on with my full port, bro. Even if you full port, bro, those fees they're gonna blow up your account. So if anything, bro, just trade one micro and just hope for the best. Is an entry at 914 still valid if we go back down there? Yeah, I would say so. But the thing is, it's too much. I mean, like I said already, the market has gone up so much that by the time we sell off 100 points, you know what I mean? Like why would we take shorts after 100 point sell off? It just makes no sense. You know. So we'll see. We'll see. Apparently, Trump doesn't know much about the meme coin, bro. You can't make that up, bro. What do you mean by fees? When you get in trades, you have to pay commissions. You have to pay commission fees. So let's say, for example, you made $500 on the trade. You didn't actually make 500. You probably made like 480, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, around there. Hey, David, how's the markets right now, bro? Not the best. Not the best. I really wish I could tell you, it's looking good, whatever. Like yesterday, for example, yesterday was amazing. But no, right now it's looking not the best. Not the best. But if anything, we can come back later. If not, we come back tomorrow. What's the max profit on a 25K account? Oh, thank you, Nate. Staying cash until something pops up. Yeah, that's the way it is, guys. I hope you guys aren't trying to force something in this market. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it's bad, but it's just like, what are you taking? Like, I mean, there's not much to really take here. Yeah, David. Right now, I'm sitting inside my car with a laptop trading in my university parking lot. Should I focus more on school to make my parents happy, or keep trying to trade during the class hours? All right, bro. So lucky for you, you can mix both. Let's be realistic here. This is not like like you could do both. You could do both. I did both. It got to a point where I really couldn't because obviously I'm doing a lot more. I have to focus on you guys, classes, mentorships, the premium, all that stuff. But if you're just doing trading, but you can mix the two. If anything, you can mix more. So as long as you want it bad enough, you can make it work. All right. Trust me. Trust me. So what's the game plan? There's no game plan. We're waiting for one. Were you doing both in high school or wait, were you doing both in Like, was I trading? Oh yeah, yeah. I was trading. I was trading in high school. Yeah, and I'm sure some of you guys in here are probably trading in high school as we speak. But yeah, I was. I was. Did you drop out? I did. It's not in my focus right now. Or I didn't really drop. I just didn't apply to anything. Have you self before? Let me see. I got a job. I go to school and I trade. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, trust me. There's more than with trading. There's more than enough time. That's a good thing about it. You know. But yeah, right now there's no game plan. I wish I could tell you guys if there's a game plan or not, but right now it's there's nothing. There's really nothing. As much as what I mean, the market's just going up without any setups, without any readings, without anything. So let's see. I'm trading one account of my two PAs. I don't know if it's better than trading both accounts. Honestly, I would probably say trade both. I mean, why not? But if you have been feeling less nervous during the trades, then yeah, stick to that, get used to it, and then once you feel more comfortable, boom, you start copy trading. Remember, bro, it's not a race. You don't have to force anything out. You don't have to you don't have to rush it. The markets will always be here. Let me see. It's cool, bro. AI is gonna make a lot of these college degrees useless in about 4 years, anyways. We're in a weird spot. Okay, look, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I kind of agree. The thing is, AI didn't. To be fair, AI didn't really get too well known until like 2 years ago when ChatGPT came out. And bro, the improvements that you guys get what I'm saying? The improvements that have like that, it's scary. That's what I'm saying, bro. Because back then, you would tell an AI to make a picture, it'd be like super like, it wouldn't be what you're asking now, bro. It's like it's as realistic as it can get, and it's been less than 2 years. I remember being in school asking ChatGPT and I could barely answer my questions, and now it's like, bro, you get what I'm saying? So it's scary, bro. We're gonna see. It's scary, but I kind of agree with that, bro. In the next upcoming years that's coming up, bro. I mean, who knows? Who knows what can happen? I got a notification. Let me check. Bet. Do you think AI will take over trading? No, not trading. Oh, actually, there's kind of already there's been AI in trading. It's the algorithm. That's what we trade off of. Remember, guys. But other than that, no, not really. Well, you're gonna get a bot to trade for you. That's already a thing. It doesn't work. The more I would say the trading is something that AI can't really replace. Well, it could, but it can't. You get what I'm saying? Um, like it's already been a thing. It's been a thing for decades. It's known as the algorithm. It's just a computer that's doing math around the market, reading liquidity, and then it just goes off that. That's literally what we trade. We trade these sweeps that's done by the algorithm. That's how the concept works. But yeah, no, AI can't replace retail trading. It probably never will. Because once AI replaces retail trading, that's when banks start going broke. Because obviously that's money being played with. You know what I mean? So it's not happening. Retail trading, not happening. With AI, no. At least not anytime soon. Maybe never. That's not something that can happen. Sure, someone can make it. You know what I mean? But it's just about doing the work for you. You know what I mean? It's probably not gonna be as good. You know what I mean? So exactly, it has been exactly. So you know, I'm excited to see. I'm excited. I'm mainly excited to see what happens throughout the years. Because bro, it's been. You know what I mean? Like people are doing AI over everything. I'm gonna tell my bro. But yeah, gotta go back to boxing for a similar high, bro. But yeah, guys. Anyways, let's see. Let's just make NQ hit 061 and create a fair value gap on the way so we can. But that's a problem. Like right now, there's no volume in the market. I know yesterday was choppy. You guys remember yesterday? I mean, we waited till 1 p.m. EST to get one setup, and it played out. It worked out. To be fair, but right now it's just I don't know. It's just I don't know. It's kind of looking really, 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 really bad. I don't like it. The PM sessions have been hitting a lot more. Yeah, bro. Surprisingly. Now it's one of these. It's gonna be one of these market cycles where the AM sucks and the PM is amazing. Yesterday I was signal balling from you in the gym, bro. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? Like, bro, yes, it's beautiful right now, and has been a bitch. Let me see. Yeah, I agree. The thing is, there's still nothing to. It's kind of just waking up. You know? Is Krabby trading? Is he trading? He is. He is. He hasn't caught anything though. Um, but yeah, bro. Guys, I was talking to him yesterday in the call, and he was so tilted. Which I don't blame. I'll be going crazy. You guys don't understand what it is losing $30,000 because of a glitch. It's insane. It's insane. Yeah, yeah. It's rich. No. It's through funded accounts. He didn't actually lose like 30K of his own money, but how'd that happen? Okay, so look, you guys remember the trade that okay, look, you guys remember how we were trading this one fair value gap that we wanted to inverse yesterday, and we got the most random sell-off candle, right here. You guys remember this? How we were trying to inverse this, and it's like we sell off. He was in longs here. He was in longs right here, which he was up, he was green, right? And his accounts had 5K each on top step. Five accounts, 5K each. So that's like what, like 25K? You know what I mean? So he had about 25K. Yeah, I'm sure he had a little bit more. So about 30K in profits, right? And he was about to request it. No. He got slippage. I'm sure you guys know. I'm sure you guys know what that is. But he placed a stop loss and it didn't get filled. And with the market selling off literally more than 100 points, he blew that account up in 0.2 seconds. Gone. That's on him for risk management? No. That's the thing. He put a stop loss. He knew what he was risking, obviously. And he got hit with the slippage. Yeah, so I don't know if he placed a limit order or Top Step glitched and it just didn't fill him. But whatever happened, the accounts are gone. So I couldn't set a stop loss yesterday. Look, and you're not the only one. There's some people telling me like, hey, I got caught in the same trade and I couldn't, I think they took it straight and they're like, hey, I couldn't really take this. Like I couldn't get out and that account is gone. So obviously it's not something to blame him for at all. It's kind of something on Top Step. But that sucks. You know what I mean? I would be devastated. I remember. I know you remember last year around this time, but yeah, it's market cycles, bro. It's literally market cycles. Carry trans, bro. But yeah, no, guys. Right now the market is looking pretty ugly. A lot uglier than yesterday, and yesterday was pretty ugly. You know what I mean? You're still gonna make me a million this week? I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. Seems like it's slowing down, yeah, by a lot. And not only that, but we don't have any setups, we don't have any readings, we don't have a buys, we don't have anything. That's the thing. So today might be a PM session. If not, it might be a cash day. It's gonna be one of these days where we stay cash. Which I'm fine with. You know what I mean? Yesterday was more than good, but yeah, I mean, just today is looking really, really low probability in a way. Okay, let me read the YouTube. If AI did what we could do, good retail traders would just understand AI patterns, and someone will figure out how to follow the AI. Exactly. So look, AI just can't come to retail. It's not gonna happen ever. It would have been a thing already. Trust me. I mean, hedge funds use it already. Exactly. That's known as an algorithm. But the reason it works for them is because they have I don't know if you guys know this, but trillions of dollars is moved around the market every single day. Trillions. You know what I mean? So you putting $1,000 into an AI bot, it's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna move a decimal in the market. So it takes millions upon billions to just move a candle. So take you know what I mean? Take that into consideration. So yeah, AI could work in the market if you have billions to work with, like hedge funds, institutions, banks, stuff like that. But if you're a retail trader, bro, you're better off just trading on your own. You know what I mean? Don't waste your time trying to create an AI that trades for you. It's not gonna work. So yeah. Anyways, let me catch up with this chat, bro. Everyone got fucked yesterday. And we made bank. We're gonna stay cash today. What do you mean, everyone? Like other groups or what do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, see, it's done on purpose so the broker can keep their money. I don't blame you. But the thing is, they can't do that on purpose because Top Step X is now regulated. So it's very, very illegal. Now, if it was unregulated, I'll be like, oh yeah, obviously, we know what they did. You know what I mean? They can easily like, make servers go slow down and or shut down orders and have you, blow up your account. But if it's regulated, that is really illegal. And they're regulated, from what I know. I think so. I would hope so. All right. So yeah, if they're regulated, then it would have to be a server side issue. If they're not regulated, then they did that on purpose. Because he wasn't the only one. It was other people that went through it. I was trying to inverse the 15-minute. It's way too far. Right now, we're kind of just waiting on something. The only inverse that we can use is down here, which is very far away. Very, very far away. So we're just waiting for something to form up here. And then once we get that, we should be good. Sebastian, bro, good luck, bro. Good luck. Look. And you get it from me, bro. You get it from me. I wish you the best of luck, bro. I wish you the best of luck. Like, prayers out to you, bro. You know what I mean? Good luck with that, bro. I'm being for real, bro. I'm just being for real. That's how it is, bro. Anyways, I already tried doing that. No, not really, no. So I was gonna prove, bro. If he does that, I mean, look, my salute to him, bro. That's why we follow them exactly, bro. That's why we trade the concept, with everything. Let me see. Just found you. Do you trade PM on YouTube? No, I actually do PM over in the premium. So YouTube is usually the AM session, and the premium is if we have a PM session, I'll do it over in the premium. Let me see. Which is scary, because it's like the AI is teaching us, and what's scary is the human brains are a computer program, which is, well, I don't know. You can consider it like that, yeah. If it's a PM session, I'm counting on you to fit it between my afternoon classes for real. I'm gonna try, bro. I'm gonna try. We gotta count on the market here. Obviously, the market's not doing anything, so you know what I mean. Are we cooked for now? A little bit, bro. A little bit. I don't know too much about these setups right now, but you know. I had a friend join the. Yeah. By the way, guys, for those that I don't know if you guys know this or not, the quick like sidetrack. Because I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys telling me, hey, I recruited a friend, like you know what I mean, like I put him on, whatever. Is there a referral or affiliates or a commission or whatever? Yeah, there is. So if you didn't get it now, just hit me up out. I'll send you like a percent. But for those that are in here and you guys wanna put anyone on, guys, click this link right here, right? If you guys look at it in the chat here, let me screen share my whole screen. Give me a second. Let me show you guys how you do it. Look, you go over to this, right? You scroll all the way down, like all the way down, and then you're gonna see something that says become an affiliate. So you click this, it'll give you a link. You send it out to anyone that you're trying to put on, and if they get it, you just get a percent out of it. So if you guys want to get some lunch money or whatever, this could help you out. But yeah, if you guys didn't, you guys have proof, just hit me up and I got you guys. All right. But yeah, once again, you click the link right here. And then if they join, if you go to your, like the WAP settings, it'll be there. It'll be there, and then you just go from there. All right. So once again, right here, all the way down. You scroll all the way down, and then you should be good. All right. All right. Enough of that. Back to trading. Let's see. Bro, I hope you start getting AM trades. Because that's the only time I can trade. I've been hoping for it, but bro, lately it's been slow. There's not much that really comes up during the AM anymore. Which, I'm not saying it's gonna stay like that, but you get what I'm saying? Like, she says, you know the deal. Okay, but let me see. If anything, I might raise it to 50% because 30%, it's I want to pay for you guys' lunch. If you guys are helping me out, why not help you guys out? Blast, what is your max squat? Oh no, I'm not good with squatting, bro. I have really low for my legs are super small. But I would say like what, 2 plates? Maybe 2 plates and 25. Nothing crazy. But yeah, no, I'm not good with legs, bro. That's 335. Is it? So wait, the bar is 45. Let me see. The bar is 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 25 plus 25. That's 275. Yeah, 275. Which, you know, it's all right. You know what I mean? Like, bro, I'll see these people in the gym, like, bro, like the bar is literally bending. Like, you get what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, how do you have this much? How much you have this much strength, bro? Anyways, but yeah, no, guys. On a real note, this market, I'm not interested. I don't think we're getting anything anytime soon. So I want to ask you guys, what will be the max time before we get off? I would say 11, but I want to say like 10:45. Now, a lot of you guys are saying now. I don't blame you guys. Because this thing is it's not good. Call it. I low-key want to. And just wait for something in the PM, I guess. Why is it so slow? I'm not sure. I'm not. Yesterday and today have been slow. You know, yesterday we caught something good. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, it took us like 3-4 hours to get it. Only read the call it messages. I know, bro. David, can we force a setup, please? I got you. But no, I mean, look at this market, guys. Let me see if Krabi's live. Yeah, he still is, surprisingly. But yeah, honestly, guys, I think PM might be better. Bro, what? Okay, yeah, that's my cue to get off, bro. All right, bro. Anyways, all right, guys. If anything, let's come back later. Right now it's not looking good. It's really not looking good. All right. If anything, I'll be active in the chat. Just be patient. All right, guys. Obviously, you guys see that there's nothing here, and it's gonna take time. All right. So once something comes up, we'll be active in the chat. We'll take it, and then we make money from there. All right. But if we don't get anything, don't worry. I mean, yesterday we made money. We're fine. We're fine for the week. All right. So, guys, if something comes up later, we'll be there. All right. But for now, I'm getting off. There's no way I'm gonna sit and watch this. It's not happening. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you guys hopefully later. If anything, I'll be active in the chat. All right, guys. So if anything, if I see something, it'll be there. All right. Peace out, guys. Take it easy and do not force anything in this market. It is super boring. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys, I know today we didn't catch anything, but I mean, look at the market. There's really nothing going on. But don't worry. I mean, yesterday, like I said, we caught an amazing trade on live. So if you guys are green for the week, I mean, we're chilling. You know what I mean? There's no point of forcing anything. But for now, nothing's coming up. If anything, if I do go live, it'll be for the premium later. So I don't know if you guys have seen the chat or not, but if you guys do want to try out the premium for your first month, guys, use code 50 for 50% off any premium upgrade. You know, if you guys want to try it out, you know, it'll give you access to real-time alerts, 0 delay live trading, access to the community, all my videos, all my educational videos, you know, my courses, or not courses like that, but you know what I mean, like where I teach you everything. So if you guys are interested in that, guys, first link in the description, code 50. All right, guys. But other than that, I'm getting off. I am not going to sit through this really boring market. I have a lot more stuff to do. All right, guys. But yeah, if anything, I'll see you guys hopefully later. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace out.